The reason I find them interesting, I think they do relate to the way we are as human beings. If you go through the history with all the mythology and how it's happened, then you'll find a lot of human traits there. So I think that's why we can associate with them. And it's like Orpheus of the underworld, right? I mean, we were, in 1964, I bought a rock and roll song about that, and I've still got the 45. So it shows you that it's an interest that's ongoing, whether it's in what you actually believe, or even in the world of entertainment. And this is what it is today. It's the world of entertainment.
These myths of the stars and those constellations are recognized in cultures throughout the world. Sometimes they have different names, slightly different stories, but human beings everywhere have always looked up into that night sky.
You're going to receive a lot of new information. You're going to hear kind of stories that maybe you haven't heard, or maybe you've heard bits of before, but you're going to see it in a way that's really weaved into each other. And I think what stood out for me as well was kind of like the light and the set, in the sense that like it really brought the story together. So I think, yeah, if I was inviting somebody to come and see, I would just say, like, just try it out and just kind of have no expectations, and it speaks for itself, I feel like, once you're in there.